Kia ora te whānau. Welcome to a Mahi Mata Tour vlog. We are currently heading to Purakaunui Bay. Me and the boys, Stella and her mates have joined us on this little camping expedition. And down there for a couple of days, so it should be good. At the moment we're just refining our technique and seeing what works and seeing what doesn't work. But we're getting it down now, and by next year we should be able to start taking people out. So it's mainly just the carting of the gear. Decided to put everything into boxes or containers, and that's really weird because it stacks really good. So everything's on the back. And we're going to be doing a bit of boogie boarding this weekend, a few activities, a few games, bit of water safety, and it should be awesome. So see you when we're there. Hey boy. Yo. Yo.
That was not a success. Ready? Take the GoPro down with you.
No.
Oh! Shit!
Right, so we just finished packing up. Oh, nearly anyway.
Where are we going?
And then that's our 4 days of camping. Done. 3 nights, 4 days. So how was camping, guys?
Bad.
Hey, what was the best thing about camping?
Seals.
The seals?
Oh, they're talking.
What about you, Francis?
Francis.
Hey?
Are you okay, Francis?
Rocky got his first powers. When what?
When Francis got slipped.
When
Hey, Francis.
Hey Francis, are you okay? What about you, Elise? What was your favourite part?
Boogie boarding.
Boogie boarding. Pity we couldn't go boogie boarding again, but we might stop at KP. But that is a wrap on our camp down
What was your
Purakaunui
favourite thing? What was your favourite thing?
with the seal over there.
Seal.
What's your favourite?
Seal.
Seals? Yeah, they were cool, eh?
Look.
Okay, that's us, whānau.
What
We
noise
out.
does a
Peace.
sea lion make?
What do you say? Like and subscribe.
Say like and subscribe.
Thank you to watching.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you to watching.
Say like and subscribe. Dog. Like and subscribe.